guys, naoperahan po ako ng meniscus dito sa Cyprus. In 16 years in Cyprus working guys, dumating talaga ang time na hindi mo maasahan ang sakit na darating sa buhay mo. And thank you so much for my employer, the very supportive for me. Sila ang nag-decide guys na talagang operahan ako para mawala yung sakit ko na naramdaman. And thank you so much for Dr. Panos na very good sa lahat ng mga staff niya na nag-assist sa akin guys. Maraming salamat na very successful operation. At nandito na ako sa recovery room na sobrang linis yung room nila dito guys, and with air condition, toilet very nice, and higaan very nice also. And thank you for watching, and take care of yourself always. Bye.